Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosa. I used to live on San Miguel Island, but now I live in Canada. And on my channel, I like to share a little bit of my journey with you guys. We just recently moved abroad. Like I said, I used to live on San Miguel Island, Azores, and now I live in Canada, Ontario, or Ontario, Canada. and we're very happy. This is a new adventure for us. And today I am going to bring you a grocery haul from Walmart. I know I shouldn't be shopping at Walmart. I should be going to a different store, a Canadian one, but it was what was closer to us, and I needed a few things from like different parts of the store, and everything was at Walmart. So anyways, before I start the video, I want you guys to give me tips. People who live in Canada, please give me tips on what's cheaper, what's better, like what's better for your, how you can say, what's a better deal in certain things, because I'm still not used to shopping in Canada. And yes, things are a lot more expensive here, but it's life. So I'm gonna start. My hair's all messy. I'm sorry, I was just outside. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started on our grocery haul. Okay, I'm gonna start off right here at the back. We got some Pepsi. Luis picked it out. That's for him to take to work, the cans. We never used to buy many cans. Actually, that's a lie. I would buy cans in Portugal, just not like Pepsi. So like you guys, like usual, the prices will be on the screen. So you'll see the price of thing while I'm listing it. Hopefully there's no surprises here, because sometimes we think something is one price and it's actually another price on the receipt. So hopefully there's no surprises. I got a bag of russet potatoes from Prince Edward Island, Canadian. A 6-pack of Gatorade. We got 1 bottle of Coca-Cola. 1 bottle of Canadian dry ginger ale. My favorite soda. I don't drink much soda, but I love that. And they don't sell that in Portugal. We also got 1 bottle of root beer. We discovered that he loves root beer. Root beer is another thing that doesn't sell in Portugal. Actually, you can get those 2 drinks in Portugal, but at the American store, not at a normal grocery store. Okay, at least San Miguel. When I say Portugal, I refer to San Miguel, where I am from, not from the continent. So we got the bags of milk, 4 liters. That was $6.25. And then we got this, what's on sale. These things here are something that I'm not used to buying here. I mean, nothing I'm used to buying here, but like I was trying to find a good deal. Now let me know if I got this for a good deal. The price is on the screen. I think it was 7 something. Then we got the fabric softener, fleecy. I got a small bottle of bleach. Bleach was the one who picked that one out, so I'll tell you this price on the screen. Then this is another thing that is so complicated because I do not know the brands here. In Portugal, we have Evox. That's the brands for feminine products. So trying to get used to the brands and knowing what's actually what. This is the brand that I got. For the liners, this is what I got. And then for the tampons, this is what I got. I don't know if these are the ones that I usually like to use, but we're gonna adventure, we're gonna try. There was another brand there that's like with the U and the black packaging. Is that a more expensive brand? Can you tell me in the comments down below if you're a woman and you know? I got a container just under $10 for Luis's lunch. It's a glass container. I don't have any containers, as you know. Or if you don't know, I just started my life from zero here. I have almost nothing, so I have to start buying things. I got a plate. This is actually from the Easter collection at Walmart. I needed a plate that I could take a cake in, so that plate is for that. Because it was only 75 cents, and if I leave it behind, I won't be sad about it. Next, I got some bacon. This was $4 something, $5 for these hot dogs. we got cold cut meats. So we got honey ham and we got Black Forest ham, and these were $8.27, I believe, each. I got a can of cashews. Reach was hungry, so we got these chocolate pastries, and they were not the best, but at least they killed our hunger at the grocery store, I guess you could say. He also got this glue for something in the car. I don't know. Here's the bad part, the cravings. So I couldn't resist the Sour Patch Kids. It was on sale, so that's why I got it. I shouldn't have gotten it, but please don't shame me. I've been eating really healthy for like a month. I haven't been eating many sweets or stuff that's not good for your body, so, and I won't be eating this all at once. So I got also some sandwich bread, also some hot dog buns, and then here's the granola bars. We don't know what's good for granola bars. Let me know what brand of granola bars you guys like in the comments down below. I need all the input. I need all your guys' opinions so I know what to get when I go to the grocery store. I got one cucumber. I have no idea how much this cucumber was. I got the clearance oranges. These are not oranges. These are probably like clementines. No, it says oranges. Clearance ones, $3.98. I got 2 apples just because the fruit was really expensive at Walmart, and I didn't want to like get so much fruit for it to rotten after. I'm gonna get more fruit later during the week. I got 1 lemon, a bundle of bananas, some romaine lettuce. This was 3 something. I got a pack of carrots because I'm gonna make a carrot cake. A pack of rice. Then these were Luigi's cravings. He got the chips. There were 2 something each. And then I have to start buying spices because I don't have all my spices from back home. So I got ground ginger and ground nutmeg. I already have, did I just say nutmeg? Nutmeg. I already have paprika, oregano, or is it Italian seasoning? I don't know. Black pepper. I have salt, of course. And I have one more, turmeric, and I have cinnamon. So I still need to grow my collection. I want white pepper. I cannot find white pepper anywhere. I think my mom will have to bring that to me. I got a bag of walnuts for the cake, some icing sugar, some self-raising flour. I then got some jalapenos for Luigi's sandwiches and some pickles because we love pickles. I got 2 cans of dark red kidney beans, and I also got 2 cans of black beans for chili. I got some eggs. This was 3 something, not as expensive as the United States. I got some hash browns for Luis to take in the morning when he goes to work because he's going to leave really early in the morning. I got a pack of pasta, not a pack, but like a bag. You guys, pasta here is so expensive. I think we're going to have to eat less of it. We used to eat pasta a lot, and now I think we're going to start eating less of it just because it's so expensive. I got a box of baking soda, and then I got 2 of cream cheese for the cake that I'm making. I also got, I think it's almost 500 grams of butter. This was $4 and some, almost $5. I got a pork tenderloin. It was $11.37. Then these were on sale for 3 something, and these were on sale also for 3 something. Then I got some corn because, oh my god, my camera. Then I got some corn because the cans of corn are way too big, and I don't use that much corn at a time, so I have to get the frozen kind and take as much corn as I want out of it. And then I got 2 bags of fries. This one is the crinkle cut, and I could not resist the curly fries. You're just laughing at me because I messed up a word. These curly fries, these just remind me of my childhood. I cannot wait to try this. And this didn't fit on the table, so I put it over here on the countertop. And there was a sale for 3 for $10. So I got my childhood favorites. Actually, I loved these when I was a kid. I remember having these once, but I remember loving them. And Cheerios. I've always eaten Cheerios. I love Cheerios. That was all that I got from Walmart. And the total from Walmart was $290 something. It's on the screen. Yeah, that was a total for that haul. And then I went to the dollar store and I got a mason jar, and the mason jar was $1.50. I got some vanilla extract. I got Rija Red Bull. It was $2.50. And I got some more jars for my spices because I'm starting to build my collection, and I actually like these spice jars. I just have to get labels for them just because it's hard to remember, or I could just write with a Sharpie on top, but it would be more aesthetically pleasing if I had the labels. And that's all I got from the Dollar Tree, and that is my haul. So yeah, I spent about $300 today. Not bad for Canadian prices, I guess you could say. But yes, please let me know in the comments down below, what are the good deals? Where do you shop? What brands do you get for certain things? Let me know what the good deals are, because I'm not used to buying stuff in Canada yet. So don't forget to leave the comment down below. It would be really, really helpful. I want you guys to stick around. Make sure you guys subscribe so that you don't miss a video. Don't forget to hit the like button. It really supports my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.